So I'm taking a little bit of a sabbatical after wrapping up some freelance work, and I'm kind of in between things, and I'm waiting for a big thing to close right now. I can't say what, but I have a couple of weeks where I'm just kind of in a holding pattern, and I decided rather than try to hustle, I go on like a little bit of a sabbatical, and I've been experimenting and doing some interesting things. And the biggest thing I've been doing is building some iOS apps using Capacitor, and something I've been doing a lot for other people. And I'm always usually quite dissatisfied with the Capacitor apps I'm working on because they often never look like iOS apps. They look really wonky. I don't want to say they look like web, but quite invented interfaces. And I spent some time to figure out how can I build an iOS app with Capacitor that looks and feels like an iOS app, and have been pleasantly surprised what I've been discovering and finding. It led me to two frameworks. First to one called Conta UI. Is that what it's called? Conta, something like this. And then by the same makers, I'm finding something else, which is actually really the missing piece of it, which is called Framework 7. And I've been able to create my first app, start to finish, and I've gone through several iterations with it. But I'm not just creating an app, I'm creating a starter template to create a whole bunch of different apps. And it's been a pretty amazing process. So I built the proof of concept in about 2 hours using Cursor Agent, obviously a very accelerated workflow. And then have been refining the user experience, refining the architecture, cleaning up the UX over time. So maybe about 5 or 10 hours in at this point, and pretty happy with what I'm doing. So I thought I'd share more about the process and more of what I'm doing, and so you'll see more videos about that here on this channel. Thanks for watching.